Hello friends, I'm making a short video on eye movements. It's very easy to remember these eye movements. There's a little bit trick. The simple thing is you remember this mnemonic. Sin, rat. Sin means S. All superiors or intorters. Means माने क्या है superior rectus, superior oblique, they are intorters. That means the contrast statement is also correct. All inferiors are extorters. That means inferior oblique, inferior rectors are extorters. You remember this sin, then vice versa is correct. Right? Next you remember rad. Rad means all recti are adductors. They move towards each other. Two eyes move towards each other because of recti. All recti are adductors. That means obliques are abductors. Right? Obliques are abductors. Now take the basic movements of an eye. See this. Here we see the primary movements. A lateral rectus will move the eyeball laterally. Medial rectus will move the eyeball medially. This is nose. Now superior rectus will make the eyeball to move upward. Inferior rectus will make the eyeball to move downward. But the thing is, you have to remember inferior oblique and superior oblique are reverse of recti, because you take this as an eyeball. Superior rectus attach here, SR. It will pull the eye up. Inferior rectus attach here. It will pull the eye down. Like this, like this, like this. Up, down. But the obliques will attach behind the equator. If superior oblique was tighten, the movement is like this. That means eye will rotate like this. That means for superior oblique, the movement of eye will be downward, because it will pull like this. Here a trolley is there. Because of the trolley, if it pull, muscle pulls like this, it will pull like this. It is attached behind the equator, right? Then the eye moved like this. It is pulled, eye move like this. So for superior oblique, the movement is downwards. Same as inferior oblique also. The movement is reverse, because the attachment of muscle behind the equator, inferior oblique moves upwards. These are the basic movements. You got it? These are the basic movements. But they have some secondary movements and tertiary movements also for each muscle. So this is not the exact way how superior rectus and inferior rectus will pull the eye. The exact way is we have to mix these tertiary movements and secondary movements with the primary movements. That is the way the superior rectus will pull the eye usually. Why I am telling this is, if you remember this, then it is easy to crack nerve pulses. In which nerve palsy, which direction it will be, it is very easy to crack. Now just remember, these are the primary movements. Now let's go to mixture of secondary movements and tertiary movements in the primary movements, how they will change. Now let's imagine an eye like this, and another eye. This is the nose. All recti are adductors. Adductor means you take about superior rectus and inferior rectus. What they will do, they will adduct the eye. Adduct means they will pull the eye towards each other. This recti will pull towards this recti, this recti will pull towards this recti. That means they will pull towards medially. Got it? then this movement will turn like this. Upward, inside. Superior rectus, inferior rectus. Downward, inside. Because all recti are adductors. Now here also same. All recti are adductors. All recti are adductors. You know, medial rectus will pull medially. Lateral rectus will pull laterally. This is easy. Then you also know all recti are adductors means all obliques are abductors, right? This oblique will abduct the eye, pull away. This oblique will abduct the eye. That means obliques pull the eyes outward. Inferior oblique pull upward, outward. Superior oblique pull downward, outward. Inferior oblique pull upward and outward. Superior oblique will pull downward and outward. Why you should know these movements? Because you know SO4, LR6 remaining all third nerve, right? In fourth nerve palsy, superior oblique don't work, right? Superior oblique don't work. Which will be neutralized here? Take this. Which will be neutralized here? This will be neutralized. This movement. Then I will turn which side? This side. That's simple. That is simple. I will move upward and inside. This movement is neutralized. This is tackled by superior rectus. Opposite antagonist muscle is superior rectus. This movement will be not there. This movement will be superior and dominated. Now LR6, right? Lateral rectus. Sixth now is gone. Lateral rectus don't work. I will be moving inward. I will be moving inward like this. Third nerve is gone. Only superior oblique work. Only lateral rectus work. Then the main movement will be this side. Remaining all muscles don't work. I will be outward and downward. That's it. By remembering tertiary movements, it's easy to remember. Just with the simple mnemonic, tertiary movements you can crack in the exam. By remembering these tertiary movements, it is easy to crack the nerves. The first classically he'll mention in the question, eye is moved this side, that side, this side. Easy to crack. Thank you. Keep following our content. Happy learning.